for clicking on this video. If you did, I'm guessing you either want to learn how to paint a custom painted ornament, you might even be interested in buying a custom ornament. If you are interested, there's a link below to my website. You can email me, or you can go to my Instagram and DM me if you're interested in a custom ornament. But anyway, it really is a perfect gift for somebody that wants something special. It's not just like a generic gift like a candle, which I still love getting candles. But I've been painting custom painted ornaments, and I actually sold a bunch, over 75 last Christmas, which was insane, thinking I painted 75 ornaments over the Christmas holiday, right before, like after Thanksgiving. But anyway, there's not a lot of stuff that you need. It is easy to do, and it's a perfect gift for somebody if you're looking to give something from your heart, and something that you want to give that will make somebody's day, that's something special. So the ones that I've done, I'll put a little video, but there's houses, you could do like pets. I do as well do portraits, which are a little bit more in depth, which costs a bit more, but the portraits are there too. So I just did this one, Starry Night, just something special, something random. I love this painting, so I thought I would do it. But anyway, you can do whatever you'd like, and all you need are a couple things to start. So the first thing, you'll need ornaments. And I buy these from Michael's, which I'm still thinking of getting a better deal with like a bulk order, because I bought 3 huge things, 3 like plastic containers full of them, and they ran for $10 per big thing of them, and I think they had 20 total in them. If you don't want to buy them in bulk, you could just they have singles that you could pick up too. So this is these ones I like to paint on too. I'd recommend getting one that's flat because it's easier to paint on. So I use these, and then these are like a plasticky these are plastic, but they look like glass. And honestly, that's all that matters, because I'd be so scared that these were gonna break. And also it adheres. I don't like painting with glass paint because I did them with my wine glasses, but adhering to plastic, it's so much easier to use acrylic and then put them on the primed bulb. Next thing you're gonna need is primer. This is imperative, because if you don't prime this ornament, the paint is not gonna stick onto it. So you're gonna need something that's gonna prime, it's gonna stick directly onto that, and it's gonna last. I mean, at the end of the day, you want these to last, because they're gifts that you're gonna have every year on your tree. So I use clear gesso by Liquitex. It's just a clear gesso. I like using the clear as well, because this is just personal preference. Is on the back, you can kind of see how I painted it. So like the first layers, and then you kind of see the full thing on the front. So I like that idea that you can kind of see it on the back, and then you can also get a glimpse of it on the front. The next thing you'll need are paints. I use acrylic paints. They dry super easy, they adhere, the colors are vibrant, and it's the easiest thing for me. I would recommend for you, I just got this little acrylic set. If you don't know what colors you need, get a little set like this. The one that I bought is by Winsor & Newton. It looks like this. It was like $10 or so. And these colors, you get a good range of colors, especially if you're gonna do portraits, or if you're gonna do houses or anything. I mean, you have yellows and yellow ochre, green, white, raw umber, ultramarine blue, cerulean, cadmium red hue, and like a alizarin crimson permanent rose. So you get a wide range of colors in these kits. They're good quality paints, and also the only thing that doesn't come in that one though is black. So you're gonna need an extra black, which I have black. But if you're not gonna use black, then don't worry about that. But in the kits, just be careful, because they might not have certain colors. Another thing you need, which is imperative, is some brushes. I use the same ones. I use like one that's squared off, like this. I also have this one is my favorite one. It's about $3, and it's fine tip paint, because you want to get on there and you want to do fine detail work. So I'd recommend some good brushes that are going to last you, and also that are going to make it easier for you to paint, because last year I had brushes that looked like this one, like just really frayed, and it's just, you can tell when you use a good quality brush on an ornament, because it looks crisp and good. especially when this year I had to do 3 of the same portrait on these ornaments, and I'm telling you, this was one of the hardest things I've ever done. I had to do 3 portrait style ornaments, all the same. I don't know how I did it, but somehow I did. I challenged myself and I got it done, but they're all the same portrait. You're gonna lastly need a gloss. The gloss that I use an Artist Gloss Varnish. I have it in a baggie because the top totally broke off and I just had to knife it away. But it's an Artist Gloss by Winsor & Newton. This one is an oil base, which you can paint oil over acrylic. Will adhere. I noticed that it keeps them from chipping and it just protects it and it makes it glossy and shiny and it makes it look very good. I just like this particular gloss the best for my ornaments. It works the best. Other ones I've seen yellow and they don't look sharp, and a huge thing, I want them to be clear. I don't want them to yellow. And if you use like a polyacrylic, it usually yellows because of the chemicals that are in it. This one works good for me, so this one as well. The only other thing you would need is the little hooks that you put on it, but I just use little twine, which I'll show you a video of. I just use the twine that you can get at the store, and that usually works best for me, but you can honestly use whatever that you have. I just like the style of it. I attach little tags onto them too with my label, with my logo on it. These are my little tags that I got made. And I also have my little cards too that I put in for packaging. Just for a little extra, I like to add that like branding into my personal brand into anything that I do. So everything I do needs to like have that branding element to it. But yeah, so that's how you paint the custom ornaments. I really like doing them. It's a special gift, and I usually get a different variety of orders, which is nice so that you're not painting the same thing. If you are interested in my particular ornament and you want a custom painted for me, like I said, just send me an email or message me on Instagram. I'd love to do one for you. And yeah, I hope that you have fun doing these ornaments. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and comment below what you think. What are your favorite ones? And any suggestions for ornament ideas. Also, this is a side note, I did get prints made for my Inktober sketches, which I'm really excited about. I wanted to mention it in this video because I was so excited when I went to pick them up. I couldn't believe it. It just is so different. I don't know if it's like because they're blown up and they look professional, and I could just see them hung up in somebody's house. I don't know. I just imagine somebody buying them and that just being like hung up in the side. That's like my goal is to, I would love if somebody could look at it and then just get inspired that day by looking at the feminist one or something. So it's just crazy that I finally got them made. I will be doing a Black Friday sale, but I am selling them right now for $25 plus $2.99 shipping and handling. So if you are interested in a print, definitely message me. Definitely let me know. I would love, and they're going to be on my website soon too. So let me know. I am excited about them, and there will be more to come. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button if you like this video too and it was helpful for you.